So hello guys, I am Nafiz here and I am back here with another tutorial video of my web development series. In this lecture we'll see a very basic thing that's so small to learn, but it's a very efficient to know how to use that. So we will learn about comments in this lecture. So if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon for the future video notifications. So let's get started with today's video. I have opened my Visual Studio here and I have run the live server in my browser here. I have opened a new HTML file here, which is called comments HTML, and we will write the basic structure here. I hope you know what's the basic structure. Okay, you will do it yourself. I'll do a quick one here. So this is the basic structure. So you don't need to know all the things here, just look for the what's the body here. So what are the comments? So suppose we have a p tag here, p, and we have the style here, the font size here. Font size here is, what can we say, 150%, 50%, and we have a text here. So this is our COMMENT comment website. Here, let me save this. Let me save this and refresh my browser here, and we will see that this is our comment website. So what are the comments? Suppose we have hundred or thousands of lines in our website, in our HTML file here. So if we make a whole website, there will be a lot of lines. There will be header, footer, some image elements here. So if a developer want to develop our website, so he will not understand what I am written here, what is this tag is doing here, what is that tag is doing here. So what can we do? We can comment something here. So how can we do comment? We'll do some this curved angle bracket here, then exclamatory, then we'll do hyphens, and inside our hyphen we will write this is a p tag. This is a p tag. So if we save this, and we can see in our live server that this is our comment showing this one, but we cannot see this one here because the HTML file is not compiling this, because this is a comment. Comments are not compiled in our HTML compiler, and we cannot see them in our website. So these are comments. These are so efficient to use, because when you have a lot of lines of codes, you need to tag them. What are they? What are those tags doing? What we will do in this division, what we will do in this part, what we are doing in this part. Comments are so efficient. We can also do multi-line comments. Suppose we have this comment here, and we can use, and we can write anything here. So this is a multi-line comment. You can write anything here, all are comments. So we can see here we have written a lot of lines here. They are all comments. They are all comments. They will not be execute. Let me save this, Control S. In our browser we can see we only have that one line, but we didn't have this or this line. So these are comments. These are not execute when we run our when we run our file. I am making a lot of mistakes because I am also running another series of Python in my channel. If you like to learn Python, you can check that out. That's why I am mumbling about Python a lot of times. Please ignore that. So where was we? Or where were we? So we were in here. So this is the multi-line comment, and this is a single line comments is so efficient, we can write anything after that. Suppose we have a history tag here, and we are writing here this is nothing. We can run this, so this will execute, but the comments are not executing. So I hope you understand about comments, and I hope you will use them a lot in your website. I use them a lot when I do any kind of project. So this was all for today. I hope you like the video. So I will come back again with another topic of HTML. So till then, take care. Bye bye.